Yo guys, what up? Welcome back to another video. And guys, today we are going to be making a new code, and I'm going to be teaching you guys how to print, make variables, and comment on your code. So let's get straight into this. So in the last video I told you guys how to set up the code before you actually start coding. First, you're going to want to go View, Syntax, and go to Python. Next, you're going to want to go File, Save As. Change it to all files. Name it whatever your name is, so print.py. We're gonna copy and paste that, copy that, save that. Open up command prompt, and now we save that in our desktop, so we're gonna do cd desktop. And now we can run print.py. So the first thing I'm gonna be talking about is a comment. So a comment is a hashtag, and it tells you what a statement is going to be doing. So let's say we're saying, hello, this statement is going to print hello. So it's not going to give the computer anything to read. It's just going to tell the writer where things are. And writers and coders use this a lot in organizing their things or helping them to find something. So that's a comment. That's very simple. So when you have a hashtag, it's a comment. When you don't have a hashtag, it's a line of code. So we're gonna write a print statement that says hello. So what print is it prints out to the reader or interpreter that to print a certain word. So let's say we want the interpreter to print hello. My name is Bob. It's going to print out hello, my name is Bob. But what if you want it to print out something else? You just change it inside the quotation marks. So to write a print statement, you write print, space or no space, quotation marks, and then, parentheses, quotation marks. And right inside the parentheses, not outside of them. So that's what a print statement is. So if we go ahead and run that. And make sure when you do this, you want to press Control S, which saves it. And it's gonna, So now it's gonna say, hello, my name is Bob. And as you see, it's not going to say hello, this statement is going to print hello, alright? So that's print statements, and that's comments. But what if you want to learn to actually make a variable? Now, what's a variable? I'm going to show you what a variable is. So let's take let's write a box, right? This is a variable. And inside that variable, there's there's tools. So let's say we have a hammer. Please excuse my drawing. Let's say we have scissors. And let's say we have a cat. So that's what we have in our variable. So this variable, we're going to call it hello. So when you assign a variable, we're going to call it hello, right? And we're going to equal it to a hammer, a cat, and a scissor. So equals. Now, you can't just say hammer, cat, and scissor. The reason why you can't say that is because without quotation marks, the computer is going to think hammer, cat, and scissor is a variable. But if we hello equals and we write quotation marks, a hammer, a cat, and a scissor, right? Then, if we save that, it's gonna assign the variable. So it's not gonna write anything, but let's we do this and we write print hello, right? And then we save that and then we print it. It's gonna print hammer, cat, and scissor. So that's what variables are. They're simply storages that that kind of, what's it called? They're basically storages that make components. So if we basically have a storage which is var, the variable, and it equals a cat, and then that's the quotation marks, right? If we take the storage, like if we make that 0, then cat will just leave the earth, you know? So it's like we're making variables. So let's make a simple quiz. So this is the quiz for the day. If I want to print hello, okay, so I want to print hello, and I save that, right? And I run it. Why is it not putting hello? So this is the debugger. It's gonna say name hello is not defined because it's thinking that hello is a variable. And now, what did I tell you guys? You need to write quotation marks. So let's just write hello. And once we put in the quotation marks, it will work. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate when you guys watch my videos. If you guys need any help with anything, make sure to comment down below and I'll try and make a video on it. But for now, I'll stay continuing on. So guys, stay chilly, stay juicy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.